Okay, this honestly just happened. I just got in the rental car at LAX, and they're playing the Red Hot Chili Peppers. All right, so I just got to the hotel, put my bags down, and I am on the tram. Yes, the tram's right here. On the tram to Disneyland to meet up with Ed. But this isn't like Disney World where it's like a short walk. This is a short ride on the tram, but I wouldn't want to walk this. I didn't mention. So when I was here back in 2019, I was standing over there just randomly, and Oswald comes out, and suddenly I was in the middle of a meet and greet. That was strange. So day one of my crazy haunt trip. I'm now at Disneyland during the day, so not really a haunt, but okay, that's weird. I'm recording, I'm not live streaming, but somehow I have a message from Ed as if I'm live streaming. I can't really see the screen. Maybe if I did, oh, here.
I'm here.
He just kind of appeared.
Yeah, we finally made it out to California, so we're here at Pixar here. Beautiful weather.
Yes.
Looking forward to the spooky trip.
Pixar Pier, and this is my second time in the last few years. I was here in 2019, so not as much of a change. Previous to 2019, last time I was here was, well, I wasn't in this park, and it was 1980.
This is way more fun than climbing stairs. Don't forget to tag me on your video. #AmazingSpider-Man.
Tag, you're it.
Shall we conduct an altitude test?
Yeah, I guess I should do some work.
Always good to have the data.
Oh, wow! Sharon, altimeter!
Super high, Spider-Man! 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Good, because that would be terrible. You want?
But it's like a vibe there. Yeah.
Yeah, it'd be kind of a trash ride. One around, stop, one around, stop, one around, stop, one around, stop, and then go. Well, this ride's got a lot of balls. Don't remember if this ride was here before, probably. Emotional whirlwind, just another day for me. All right, I guess we'll see if this is too fast for Dave, because it might be. I don't know, that looks pretty fast. All right, here we see the before.
Oh, so the emotional whirlwind is finally lifting off.
Yeah, really.
Troy wants to call this the Happy Memory Development Program. So go on, make some of that great memory.
All right.
Just enjoy the ride. How hard is it?
I'm sorry, gosh. That guy's angry.
Woo!
Okay. What did you have for your churros that taste like
Happiest
coffee?
memory ever!
You were all fearless, huh? You're my kind of people.
That's good. I'm kidding. All right.
The emotional moment is about to end, so stay seated until your memory mover
Wait,
comes
what kind of
to a
what-
complete
what-
stop.
wait, what kind of
Then
movement?
Wait for a mind worker to open your door and exit in an orderly fashion. Don't make me come down there.
Oh, I'm gonna make it come down here. All right, not too bad. You know the channel Drunk at Disney? Well, you can do another channel where you go on spinning rides like that and just call it Dizzy at Disney. So I think they did pretty well.
Yeah, it was good.
It looks like it spins a lot more than it actually does.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
So
actually.
yeah, I was alright with it.
Good views of the park as well. So
Yeah.
it's good.
Fortunately, I'm shooting directly in the sun, so I'm trying to control the lens flare. But this is the only place I can get.
Give a warm welcome to the storytellers of Plaza de la Familia and their musical celebration of Coco.
Since that fateful day, music has been banned in the Rivera household. No music. This music is my language and the world is mi familia. This music is my language and the world is mi familia.
Put my hand down for a
Miguel
moment.
doesn't want to be just any musician. He wants to be like the most famous musician in all of Mexico. The late, great Ernesto de la Cruz. You see, Miguel learned to play the guitar by watching the classic films of this renowned musical star. Over and over, Miguel watched Ernesto's films, and as he practiced each chord, he heard his idol say, I have to sing, I have to play. The music is not just in me, it is me. And so, it is on the eve of this family holiday that Miguel discovers a torn photo which leads him to believe that his forgotten great-great-grandfather is actually Ernesto de la Cruz! See, Ernesto! Miguel runs home and he joyfully announces, I was born to be a musician! But his family is outraged.
No music!
And his abuelita smashes his guitar to pieces.
Like a Nirvana concert.
Miguel runs up to Ernesto's grave, defiantly grabs the musician's guitar and strums it with all his might. Suddenly, Miguel finds himself crossing an enormous bridge of marigold petals that leads him into the land of the dead, a magical world where no living person has ever been.
Whoa.
Miguelito! There you are! Everyone, say hola, Miguel! Okay, now, this is the moment in Miguel's fantastic journey where he meets a charming trickster named Hector who helps him find the courage to fulfill his musical destiny! Miguel's incredible adventures led him to solve the Rivera family mystery. Hector was actually his forgotten great-great-grandfather and the musician who wrote Remember Me. And so, music was welcomed back into the Rivera family.
All right, it's time to go hopping over to the actual Disneyland resort. So far, I've only been over at DCA, and I'm gonna wait a while for the Indiana Jones adventure. Gonna do it for Gabe. Somehow, I walked across and ended up in Magic Kingdom. I'm not sure how that happened, but here I am in Magic Kingdom. Okay. Oh, look at the balloons. Oh, so spooky. All right, so we're going to be here a while.
You see the latest film?
It's 95 minutes, so maybe not. Hungry Dave is going to try Hungry Bear, and so is Hungry Ed.
Starving Ed.
Starving Ed and Hungry Dave is going to try the burger at the Hungry Bear. It's 6:47 Pacific, and I've been up since 4:30 Eastern, so Dave is tired too. I've got some bare necessities up there. Well, here's before. So the cheese sauce was a little messy. Fries were pretty good. They weren't as soft as I would like them to be. The cheese is also quite spicy. And I feel like the fries were spicy too, but it was hard to tell after I had that spicy cheese. They're not extremely spicy, but more than I would like. All right, we're gonna do the many adventures of Winnie the Pooh, not just some. How long is the wait time? Oh my gosh, it's 520 minutes. Oh.
Off in search of honey.
Oh, honey. Oh, that's cool. The rain effect works pretty well.
Goodness gracious! Right this way.
You know, for a kid's ride, it's really loud. It's 97 decibels. That's a lot. Even though this is very, very, very similar to Hollywood Studios, it does not actually have the Mini Millennium on it. Only Florida has that one. So you walk out of an area of spaceships and, well, you go back in time quite a bit, don't you? And it's our next stop. It's so weird that it's an attraction here when I'm so used to it being just a mode of transportation in Florida. I'm not going to say Orlando because Disney World is not in Orlando. Or maybe not. Disney really, 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 really doesn't want you to sit on this. So after the monorail closed, it closed at 8:30. We got there at 8:31, and we couldn't get on.
Way down to the very end of your road.
How many leagues are going to go under?
The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters.
All right, so that was our. Well, you had a full day here.
Yeah.
Disney. I had to fly from Orlando, so less than a full day, but that's our experience at Disneyland for today. Tomorrow's gonna be Legoland for me.
Another full day, so I'm going to get some sleep tonight.
Yeah, and then I'll be here later on,
Yeah.
day 2 of Disneyland. And then, but for now, pretty good day.
Yeah, brilliant day. Really enjoyed it. Great to be back.
Yeah. So, thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop.